Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. For your relationship, we'll be picking this card, and for your career situation, we'll be picking this card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Gemini, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Gemini, I have a good friend. She is a very good intuitive reader and she gives reading in fever. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today, Ace of Cups, Eight of Swords in reverse and Six of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances, Gemini, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are facing some difficulty. Maybe in your work you have a lot of people competing with you or opposing you. Something you never expected is happening today and you have worked hard. You are a dedicated person, so the decisions you make, you stand by those decisions, trying to do your best. But whatever you do, there are some difficulties in your circumstances today, something happening, and it is it is very difficult for you. Confusions are there today. Some doubts regarding what will work or what will be the right thing to do or right choice to make, and maybe on certain things. It may be something you expected over a timeline. Maybe you expected that project in 3 months' time, or you expected an answer from this person you love. Or it may be something else, something which you were thinking about in your relationship. Maybe you were hoping for or wishing for, but you are getting that answers you need right now. And maybe in your work also, the projects or whatever it's supposed to come sometime in the future, it's coming before a time. So there is some kind of certain things are happening beyond your something helping you in certain things. Things are just happening as it should, but on certain choices there are some difficulties. And you are moving towards a decision, something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. Maybe you love this person. You are thinking of marriage or commitment. Or if you are single, Gemini, you are finding someone very interesting. And this person is also interested in you, and they are proposing to you, and this person is also seeing you as the right person for them, and they are also very much interested in you. So there may be mutual love and understanding in this relationship. So if you are single, you are finding someone like that. But if you are already in a connection, things are changing. Maybe the troubles are ending and circumstances are changing definitely. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card, exchanging gifts. So with this card, the energy is that this may be the time for you to receive the love this person is giving you, the same way give that love back in order for it to flourish, because love grows exponentially when it is reciprocated. So the higher spirit or God, whatever you call it, wants you to accept all the blessings that are coming towards you today. Be open, keep an open heart to let it filled with love. The same way, let that love also flow out of you. And love is truly yours today. That is the energy here with this card. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Astronomer of Spheres. So with this card, it just means that there may be a person, this may be your mentor or senior in work, guiding you with certain things, and this person is really trustworthy, truly concerned about you. So if they are suggesting you certain things, you can listen to them, Gemini. And you are moving towards a very good time in your career. Things will happen as you have wished for, and there are lucrative deals and opportunities coming your way, and positive turn of events. That is what I see for you all today, Gemini. So that is the energy here. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon, and you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them, it will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends. If you have done something wrong to someone, if you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs, you must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, so that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.